We only knew each other by letter when I made her off of the train. When the smoke had cleared and the dust was still, she was standing there and speaking my name. I guarantee she looked like an angel. I couldn't think of what I should say, but when Adam saw Eve in the garden, I believe he felt the self-same way. I handed her up on the wagon and I loaded up a trunk behind. She was sitting up there with the gold in her hair. I tried to get a hold of my mind. You think you could love me, Mary? You think we got a chance of a life? Do you think you could love me, Mary? Now you ought to be my wife. Finally headed out of the station, we drove up the home trail, and when we came to the farm, she laid a hand on my arm. I thought my resolution would fail. Now I froze as she stepped in the doorway, stood there as still as can be. I said, I know it ain't much, it needs a woman's touch. She turned around and looked at me.